Right, so let's look at the third person. So third person. When we are talking about someone who is far away, we're talking about somebody else's point of view, their perspective. We use it when we know more about the things that are happening. So we can use it when we think we know better, when we have a stronger idea what something should happen or needs to happen. So we use she, he, it, singular. She, he, it. It. For things, it. They and them, plural. Plural. They and them. They over there, or them. Or they here, or them. Let's think. They over there, them, which is theirs. No. They know the answer. Them people here, them people there. Very interchangeable. You can use any almost. They are here, they are there. Them over there, them here. Not really. Them here. Yeah, you could say them here. Them here. Not necessarily. But so we could say she has to. She, singular. She has to learn English. She has to open the door. Open the door. Open the door. She has to open the door. He went to France. He went to France. He went to London. London. I know he went to London. I know it, so I'm saying it. Where did you go? Otherwise it's second person. Where did you go? Where did you go? Ah. He went to France. He went to Spain. I know he did. When we know more about things that are happening. He didn't tell me, but I know where he went. She, I know she has to open the door. I know she has to learn English. But does she know that? Does she know? I'm not so sure. It won't break. The pen won't break. It won't break. It won't break. It won't stop. It won't stop. It keeps going and 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 going. This pen won't stop. It's a lot of ink. A lot of ink. It has a lot of ink. It has a lot of ink. 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 How cool is that? They are here. They are here. I can hear them. They are there. I see them. Where are they going? Where are they going? They are going over there. I can see them. I, first person, I can see them. They are going over there. Very good. They are coming here. They are going over there, and they are coming here. They are coming to us, to me. For those are different pronouns. So, she, he, it, singular. She knows the answer. He won't tell us. It is it's working. They are on the other side of the river. Them. We need to talk to them. I need to talk to them. Very good. They need to talk to me. They need to talk to me. Me. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, when we're talking about someone who is far away, and we use it when we know more about what is happening, she has to stop. It won't break. He needs to learn. They need to pay attention. Them over there must help us. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.